Hi guys, it's Felicity again, and this week's theme was top 10 under $10. So I've got my top 10 in this little bin here, and they're all under $10. And these products are seriously so amazing, and they're all drugstore. So I mean, it's gonna be an easy find for all of you guys to find. And so I say so too much, but anyway, I don't want this video to be way too long because I know you guys don't want to dread watching it or anything like that, so how about we just jump into it? Alright, so my very first product is my holy grail product. I use this every single day that I wear makeup, and it is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. So, I mean, this is the best product, and it is honestly, it's a dupe for the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. So if you're planning on buying the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation, then you can definitely go with this. And this foundation was $10 at Walmart, so and it's amazing. Okay, and my next product is also, I freaking love this, like, it is the Maybelline Dream Wonder powder. They didn't actually discontinue this is the newer version. I am shedding hair. Discontinue the Dream Matte powder, but this is the exact same thing. So once I found that this was the exact same thing, I was like in heaven again. And this product is about $6.99. Okay, and my next product, all my viewers know I love this, and I've had so many people buy it and say, I love this product, thank you so much for loving it and telling us how much you love it and recommending it, so I'm glad I could do so. And it is this made me so happy because this is like my ultimate favorite product, and it is the CoverGirl Cheeker in Rose Silk. Can I just say how amazing this product is? It makes your cheeks so glowy and dewy, and it's like you're not even wearing blush. It's like such a dewy natural finish, and it looks so like you're glowing from within, and it's so pretty. Like, if you guys don't have this, go get it. And this is about $3.97, so it's fairly cheap. His eyes. This product is so amazing. I find that it's better. Okay, so I cannot use any other eye primer but the Urban Decay Primer Potion because my eyelids are just so oily, and the Primer Potion is like the only thing that works for me. Until I found this baby. This is the Fergie Wet n Wild Primer, so the Fergie collection, and it is $5 at Walgreens, so it's like $4.19 or maybe $2 other places. But it's amazing, and now this blows away the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm not even joking, and this is drugstore. So that's gonna tell you something about this product. This next product is the Jordana Fabuliner. It's liquid eyeliner, and this I want to say I paid $2.99 for this, and it is a felt tip eyeliner. This is the best felt tip eyeliner I've ever used. It's the best liquid liner I've ever used. I wasn't always a big fan of liquid liner until this thing came into my life, and now I love liquid liner. This is amazing, and once I run out of this, I'm definitely going to go back and get another one. With the felt tip, it makes it so easy to make a straight line. Like, look at that. It made it so easy to make a straight line, and it's just, it gives you so much control over the product and where you want it to go. So my next product is my Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil, and it is in Hazel. I use this in every single one of my videos, and I always go, because you know you should go 2 shades lighter for your eyebrows if you have dark eyebrows, or if you have light eyebrows, you should always go 2 shades darker to fill them in. And so this is the perfect shade for me. It comes in 2 different shades. It comes in hazel, and then it comes in like a dark brown shade, which my sister's got the dark brown shade, but this one is amazing. I love it. That's what I'm using today. This product, I've used so many eyebrow products, and this one makes my eyebrows look amazing and so natural, and not like they're fake and obviously drawn on. You know what I'm saying? I think it was $3.99. Okay, this next product, I keep saying, okay, this product is my Rimmel London Scandalized Retro Glam Mascara. I didn't know that this was waterproof. That's obviously what the blue rings around it stand for. There's also just I think they're black rings around it, and that one's not the waterproof. So the one with the blue rings are waterproof. But anyway, this, you know how waterproof mascara usually, it comes off, it's like so hard to come off. This comes off like with your eye makeup remover so easily, and it comes off all the way. And then not only that, it makes your eyelashes look amazing. It makes your eyelashes look so much more voluminous and gorgeous and glamorous. And the applicator is also awesome. I really like this applicator. It's really awesome. It's different, but it makes it easier. It allows it to make it easier to get like your bottom lashes and all of your upper lashes. So I definitely think you guys should check this product out. This product was about $6.99. Okay, so for the last thing in the eye department, it is this is my CoverGirl single eyeshadow in Tapestry Taupe. It's an oldie but a goodie. And I find it's like so gorgeous. It's beautiful. That's pure beauty, guys. That is just beautiful. And I find it when it applies on your eyelids much nicer when you use the little applicator sponge that it comes with. I don't know why, it looks so much nicer. So not only you don't have to dirty up your brushes to use this eyeshadow, but it's also a really pretty color. And this eyeshadow, I want to say it was about $5.19 at like Ulta. I'm not exactly sure, don't quote me on it. So I've got 2 more products left, and these are in our lip departments. So this lip product I swear by, and I got it for Christmas, and it's the Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm. I am obsessed with red lipstick. I love red lipstick. I wear red lipstick all the time. And this is in Standout Remarkable, and it's so pretty. It's like jumbo, so it's easy to apply, and it's just so creamy and buttery, and it just applies very nicely, and it stains. It's a lip stain, so it really stains your lips very nicely. The color won't budge or anything, and it's a matte, so if you're not in the whole matte scene, then this probably isn't the best for you. But if you don't mind it, like I don't mind. I hated matte lipsticks, but once this came into my life, I didn't care if it was matte or not anymore. This is amazing. There's other different colors that you could get, but this one, I got it for Christmas, but I know it retails for about $8, like $7 to $8. Alright, last but not least, I've got another lip product, and this is, shocker, Revlon. Yeah. And this is the, what are you? Revlon Color Burst Lip Gloss in Rose Pearl. And it's so long. It's such a beautiful shade, and I love the applicator for this. Like, look at that. That is like an amazing applicator. And this color, it's so pretty. It's so creamy as well, and it's very nice. It's very opaque. It's very, very pigmented. So those were my 10 products under $10 that I recommend you purchase. These products are also amazing. They're all very, very good. I love them so much. Otherwise, I wouldn't have them in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to stay tuned later on this week. Teresa, Jocelyn, and I believe Molly will be posting their top 10 under $10 dollars. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. Don't forget to go check out my main channel, which is Simply Beauty Chic 1. I'll have it linked down below. I keep wanting to say Ashim. Ashim. What is Ashim?
I have no idea what you're even trying to say.
Okay. Don't forget to comment down below what theme you should... I just want to get this done! Also, comment down below what... I can't talk! Also, don't forget to comment down below a theme that you should... Ah! I'm dead. Also, don't forget to comment down below a theme that you think should be a theme for an upcoming week. Yes! I got it! Thank you, Lord! Yes! Don't forget to hit that big subscribe button down below. And I guess I will talk to you guys next week or on my main channel if you end up subscribing. Alright, bye guys.